like seamen that to the seas belong. I'll tell you all the fight, me boys, aboard the Nottingham. It was up an Irish captain, his name was Somerville. With courage bold did he control, he played his part full well. It was on the 8th of June, me boys, when at Spithead we lay. On board there came an order, our anchor for to weigh. Bound for the coast of Ireland, our orders did run so. There to cruise and not refuse against our daring foe. Not sail many lengths to sea before a ship we spied. She being some lofty Frenchman, come a-bearing down so wide. She hailed us in French, me boys, and asked us from where we came. Our answer was from Liverpool and London.